How to unblock people from your Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to unblock someone on Reddit app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. Once you open the Reddit app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in on Reddit, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now click on settings and again click on your profile. After you click on profile, scroll down. You can see the option for manage block accounts. Tap on it. Now select the person that you want to unblock. As soon as you click on unblock, the selected person will be unblocked instantly. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna unblock someone on Reddit app. If you guys have any issues regarding Reddit application, make sure to comment down below so that I can easily help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.